chocolate factory trip. Brad, Kyle, and Cindy are having lots of fun making their own chocolate.
What are we getting up to today?
We're going down to the chocolate factory. You game?
Sounds good. I'm so hungry, I could snack all day long.
Let's roll.
Nice! The tour is free? That's awesome!
I know, right? We even get to make our own chocolate.
Whoa, check out that giant chocolate blender.
Don't you just want to dive in?
Ew, keep your dirty self out of my snacks.
That's right, dude.
Let's just get to it and make our own.
You guys doing milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
Dark all the way.
Good call. What can we add?
Looks like they've got a bunch of different nuts, some dried fruit, and sprinkles.
Sprinkles? What are we, preschoolers?
I think I'm going to do dried mango and almonds.
Sounds classy. I'm going to make cranberry cream truffles.
That sounds off the hook. I just might steal your idea.
Think up your own idea. Don't just rip off mine.